Yo, guys, I tried to warn y'all. You can't say I didn't. I tried to warn y'all about the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris, and it's looking like the stuff that I said about a week ago and a couple days ago is coming to fruition, bro. These things are going to be extremely harder to get than we previously expected, bro. It's something different, bro. Nike, what is going on with these limited numbers? What's going on with these pairs not going to every store? We got to chop it up about the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of the ones. Again, man, we've been trying to help you guys out, put y'all on game, let you guys know what's going on beforehand. We want you to be proactive and not reactive and not be upset on the release date for these Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. I don't want that happening, and I want you guys to be fully aware of what's going on with these things right now. So if you guys are new here to the channel, you're rocking out with the vibes, you like updates about certain sneakers, you like to know what's going on, you want the 4-1, you want the full scoop, sub up, hit the notification bell so you don't miss on any of that content that we do drop over in the channel, man. Please do your boy a solid, man. Run them likes up. I know I got some people out there that's afraid and try to hit that like button, but it definitely helps the channel grow. So if you want to keep growing with your boy The Vintage, you want more content, please run them likes up and drop some comments down below. If you got anything you want to ask me, off to the side, of course, my Instagram will always be linked in the description box, man. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. We're just gonna pull one of the shoes out right now, the 2025 Air Jordan 14 Ferraris, bro. Let me just tell you guys off rip, man. 20,000 pairs. Yes, 20,000 pairs is all we're going to see on the Nike sneakers app, bro. 20,000. What is going on, bro? 20,000 pairs is super limited on the Nike sneakers app, especially when you put on top of that, when you put on top of 20,000 pairs on sneakers app, all these pairs are not getting pushed out to Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and stuff like that. And the exclusive access that Finish Line and JD Sports is doing, them pairs is going quickly, bro. And I was like, hold on, let me just check Foot Locker, let me check Champ, see which stores is getting around my area. And there are no stores within 100 miles, bro, that are going to be getting these in stock. So that led a lot of people to hit me up in the comment section like, yo, where they at? Why are they not on Foot Locker? Why are they not on Champs? And a lot of these locations are not getting them, which is leading people to do and only rely on the ship to me option, the Nike sneakers app, and of course JD and Finish Line when it comes to these Air Jordan 14 Ferraris, bro. I said, ain't no way, bro. And I heard rumors again. I talked about it. I said, yo, we might see a little bit more. These been a little bit more on the tougher side to get, because when you take out, Foot Locker and Champs, that's already taking a lot of that stock away in terms of being able to get them same day. And you add ship to me, and then only 20K on the Nike sneakers app, bro. We are in for a rude awakening, bro. Probably, I feel like a lot of people are gonna be super, interested in getting these, more so on the fact that these are limited, a lot more limited than anything else releasing this month, and probably a lot more limited than anything I released this entire year, if we're being honest, in terms of just regular Jordan releases, not collabs and stuff like that. And 20K stock, and I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna be something that's under 100,000 in total in the US in terms of stock on these Air Jordan 14 Ferrari, just based off of what we've been seeing recently. And I do want to check the resale value. Let me check the resale value real quick, bro, because I'm already knowing these things is probably still cracking. And yes, so sizes like 10.5, size 11, size 12, they still going for 280 plus. My size is going for around a measly 230, which is a little bit better, bro. But 230 a couple days before the drop is still, kind of, towing a line in terms of, are you going to continue to drop, or they're just going to shoot up in the resale value? And we shall see what happens on Saturday, because we were originally supposed to get these on Wednesday. Everybody was talking about it. It's a weird drop day. Why they're releasing on Wednesday, and now they officially pushed these to Saturday. So we will be getting a regular, Jordan 14 release date on a Saturday. Who don't love a Saturday release date? And we shall see what happens in terms of the Ferrari guys. But again, man, remember all them comments. Don't let that energy switch up. But it seems like the energy did switch all the way up. Remember, people saying I'm passing on these to get the grapes. But I'm telling you guys right now, I think people be doing all this capping and all this yapping just to persuade you not to get the shoe and redirect your energy to something else. But I think a lot of people, I think the community wants the Ferraris. This is one of the best non-OG, probably the best non-OG colorway in terms of the 14s of all time. You guys can let me think about that. I know we got some other bangers out there in terms of non-OG colorways, but these right here, people are trying to get them and they trying to tell y'all, persuade y'all otherwise, you feel me? But again, 20K stock on the sneakers app. Foot Locker ain't getting them in most areas. Champs ain't getting them in most areas. The EA, I think they did a couple days ago for JD and Finish Line, going just like that. And it was like, I think after the restock of the White Cement 4. So there's a lot going on, bro. It's a lot going on. So I definitely recommend you guys just kind of check and see what mom and pop shops is getting them. Maybe check DTLR, Jimmy Jazz, see who's doing those in-store raffles and stuff like that. Who's doing first come, first serve, because that could be another issue. Some pairs might not be out the Foot Locker. Some pairs might not be in Champs and stuff like that. So you have to call around, do your footwork, and just kind of figure out what's going on. This is going to be one of those shoes where you had to do your footwork in order to get these for retail. Again, I had to pay to play. You know, I had to bring you out some content. I had to get these things early, so I paid to play. You feel me? I paid to play, and I paid to show you guys what these things is hitting for. And it's still super crispy, not as good as the 2014 pair, 2013 pair in terms of suede. Let me grab them real quick. You know, so I had to grab them real quick, man. But when you see, if you do have the older pair, you're gonna see exactly what I'm saying. But the older pair, the 2013, 2012 pair, I forget what year it came out, but the suede is just crazy. Like, the suede is phenomenal. But when you look at the 2025 pair, it is really, really flat in terms of the suede. I don't know why they did that. Maybe it's better in terms of long term, but I had these for over 10 years, bro, and they still look good. They still look good in my opinion. So I don't know why they took the suedeness away from them, but that's what they wanted to rock with, and I don't know why. But again, you guys let me know what you think, bro. This is one of them ones, had to have one. If you guys want to see like a full review and on feet, I haven't been doing on feet lately because you guys seem like y'all ain't been rocking out with them. But if you want to see the on feet, bro, please let me know. I'm more of a just get ready. That's what we're gonna do. Instead of me doing reviews on feet, we're gonna do like a get rid of me type style, and you know what I can do, what I can wear, or just get back to my how to style videos, because I do think there's a lot of fits I can pull out for these right here. So y'all stay tuned for that. And we got some more interesting stuff in the works in terms of clothing and bring it to the channel, man. Don't let this be one of those videos or one of those releases where I'm coming up on here Saturday like I try to tell y'all. And I'm not trying to do this to, you know, poke at y'all or anything like that, trying to make y'all mad, but I'm really trying to get y'all attention so you can go out there, call around, put your footwork in. Put your footwork in terms of trying to grab these things. I know it might not be a big deal to everybody, but for people that want to get these, they got a little extra time to spare, go out there and try to, you know, secure these things, because it is definitely a top 5, top 10 pickup for a lot of people, and I definitely see why. But again, we heard people saying they like the grapes more than these, they ain't getting these. Watch those same people be out there trying to get 2-3 pairs of these, and I think these will do well later down the line in terms of how much they'll value that. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Please do not sleep on them, bro. Please don't sleep on the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. But again, I will be up on here on release day Saturday, kind of doing a recap, seeing how everything is going. And I do hope everybody that really wants a pair gets a pair. And I got my pair secure. Had to get them. I just need to re-up, you feel me? And I need to get some wears out of my older pair. I'm wearing them to the gym, but nonetheless, let me know. I cannot wait till Saturday, man. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell, man. Run the likes up, bruh. Well, all this being said, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. But man, these things is beautiful, bro. Peace.